back to LCP Digital Learning. I got a really quick tip here for you, and this is how to use dictation in the classroom. Now, a couple reasons why I might want to use this. Number one, for early childhood, this is going to be great for those moments where the kids would like to get their information on the page, or you're wanting them to be able to type something up, but the focus is not about typing and spelling, it's about getting their idea on the page. Another reason I might use this is to keep notes about what a kid is talking to me about. So if I'm in small group, I can have my iPad up facing me, press the dictation button, and then listen to the kid tell me their story, or listen to the kid explain something. And then it's going to be typing what they say so that I can have that later for documentation. Any app that you're in that has the keyboard, you'll notice up here on the page that there is a button that looks like a microphone. Now, the first time you press this, it might ask for permission. Just go ahead and give it permission. See, enable dictation, so that's fine. So now when I talk, what's going to happen is it's going to type everything I say word for word. Now, it's not going to add period, question mark, things like that unless I actually say the word period or question mark. Now, for your older kids, this might be really good when you're wanting to teach the kids about editing. You can have the kid tell a story or interview somebody, and then they have to go back and add the periods and the question marks and the commas and things like that to edit this in the classroom. All right, I hope that quick tip was super helpful. See you next time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.